The Blue Clean Maxx BM3000 pressure washer from AR Blue Clean is a high-performance cleaning tool, boasting a powerful induction motor and a tri-axial pump capable of producing up to 3,000 pounds per square inch and 1.3 gallons per minute, making it the perfect outdoor cleaning companion. This electric pressure washer comes with a range of dynamic accessories such as a M22 power wash trigger gun, a metal lance with quick connect outlet, and a 25-foot M22 super soft hose, all designed to make your outdoor cleaning tasks more efficient and less time-consuming. The product features a two-wheel trolley design for easy mobility and convenient storage of accessories, making it a versatile addition to your outdoor cleaning arsenal. With the inclusion of a 25-ounce quick connect foam cannon and 15 and 25-degree spray nozzles, this washer offers a diverse range of cleaning options, allowing you to power through dirt on your patio, siding, and car with ease. The BM3000 is not a hot water pressure washer, but it is perfectly suited to work with your home garden hose spigot, providing a reliable and powerful cleaning solution for all your outdoor cleaning needs. Finally, this pressure washer is competitively priced and highly rated by users, which, along with the quality and performance it offers, makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining cleanliness around your home.